happy to get back to an air-conditioned ballpark over the weekend against the Red Sox. There's a liner to right over the shifted second baseman Odor, and Singleton breaks that 0 for 22 against right-handed pitching with a 2-strike single. Singleton drives one out to right field. Rios watching this one soar way over his head. That's a 3-run homer for Jon Singleton, number 6 of the season. That's 19 runs batted in for Singleton, and that makes it 9-2 Houston.
Pretty much what you call a no-doubt shot. Alex Rios took a couple of steps in right field, I think, just to get a closer look.
That's ripped toward the right field corner. That'll get Altuve home to make it 12-6. Extra bases for Singleton. Rios picks it up and throws it back in. And he's on at second base with an RBI double. 3rd hit of the game for Singleton. That's a 4th run batted in for him.